So it's basically a line of reflection that you could put through a figure, through the middle of it, so that if you were to reflect it over that line, it would just be the same exact shape when you're done. Okay? Like, for example, let's say I have a square. Now, like a good question that I might put on your test, or you guys might see like on the ACT someday or something like that, is if you have this square, how many lines of reflection does it have? So how many different ways can you fold this thing or reflect this thing onto itself? Yeah, Jason. More than 2. Yeah, Savannah. There are 4. Okay, so can somebody give me one way of doing it? Yes, Kyle. Right down the middle. Okay, we're going to do some dotted lines here for each of these lines of symmetry. So there's a line of symmetry. If I at reflection, it would reflect right onto itself. Good. Okay, another one. Okay, Savannah. Down the middle, but horizontally. Okay. So there's another one. If I could fold it over that line, it would work. Okay, somebody else, Jen. Okay, and we can go diagonally with it. And yeah. And you can go diagonally the other way too. Yep. Okay. So a square has how many lines of symmetry? 4. Okay. Don't get caught up. Like after you draw it, sometimes you're like, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's not 8. Each line all the way through is its own, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. Okay? All right, let's try. Okay. How about that triangle? How many should that one have? Yeah. Just 1. Yep. All right. Since we're talking triangles, just a second. Since we're talking triangles, what if I had an equilateral triangle? You guys remember what that means? Equilateral is a triangle that has all 3 sides are the same length, all the angles are 60 degrees. How many lines of symmetry would that thing have? Yeah. 3. Yeah, good. Let's see if I can do something a little bit more interesting. It's like a Mario mushroom on its side. Yeah. How many lines of symmetry does that have? Just 1, right? Go ahead and cross it this way. Yeah. So, all right. So you guys get the idea, though. Now, one other one. Oh, you had a question, yeah. Yeah, I was just about to mention that. A circle. Okay, because of the nature of a circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry. You can always keep chopping it in different ways, and it'll still reflect right back onto itself. Yeah, exactly. So, I'm going to let you guys have at it here. So, here's your assignment. You can if you want to, otherwise just at the top work is fine. You will need graph paper, yep. What? Oh, yeah, that's fine.
She would love it though, Ryan. Thank you. I have to though. I almost needed to yesterday. Oh, you already have one? Yeah, I didn't say I on my Adobe yesterday and almost needed it. No, I got
Okay, there you go.
That's not that bad.
It's okay.